How to download a Zoom recording. So the first thing that you're gonna do is go to the link to the lecture and then click on the download here. It says download 5 files. It's a video because it's an MP4 format. Now if there's no download button, go to the extensions, Chrome extensions, Zoom downloader. And here it is, Zoom video and transcript downloader. And then simply just add it to your browser. Now go to the link again. Click on the Zoom video and transcript. Extract video and transcript. Download video and transcript. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.